Hi everyone, it's your girl Lady Vintage Bags, and today I'm going to show you my top 5 bags on my wish list for vintage Louis Vuitton. Now you guys know I'm a vintage girl through and through, and you're going to love these selections. Now starting in no particular order, we're going to go with the mini Ribera, and this is a beautiful mini bag. It's going for about $1,000 on eBay at the moment. It's mostly found in Damier, Ebene, but if you're really lucky, you can find the beautiful special order monogram ones. Now, what I love about these bags is it has a double zip closure, and you can add a cute LV padlock if you want for extra security or just a bit of aesthetics. You can hold it handheld, or you can do like a long shoulder bag or a crossbody bag if you add an extra strap. It's got D-rings, so you can add straps to it. Has a beautiful Alcantara lining, and it's a great alternative to the Alma BB or the Speedy Nano. So if you're not quite into those bags or you're looking for a vintage alternative, this is a great stinking cute bag to choose. Okay, so bag number 2 is the LV Trouville. Now this is a gorgeous bag. It's going for about over $400 on eBay right now. And what I love about this bag is it's actually made as a cosmetics bag. So the lining is completely wipeable. It's got a double zip closure, so again, added security. You can add a padlock to it just for aesthetics, or you can lock it for function if you like. You've got internal organization. You can do handheld, or it's got D-ring, so you can add a crossbody strap if you like. This is a great bag that's an alternative to the Speedy 25. So if you want something a bit more unique or even a bit more useful than a Speedy 25, this could be the choice for you. So next up is the Mabillon Backpack. This is a beautiful epi leather backpack. It's going for about over $400 on eBay, and it comes in a variety of different colors. So my favorite ones are the Noir and Kenyan Fawn. Those are my two absolute favorite epi colors. So it has a double zip closure. You can see a theme going on here with the double zip. So you can add that cute LV padlock just for aesthetics, or you can do it for function if you like. And it is just a simple backpack, but it is epi leather, so it is going to be stiff. It's not a soft and squishy one. So this is for the girls who love structured bags. I also wouldn't overstuff this backpack because it is so stiff, and you don't want to misshapen the bag or the zipper, because if you overload it, the zipper will go quite curly or wonky. No one wants that. Okay, so next up is the Vavin PM bag. This is such a stinking cute little handheld bag. It's so cute. So these are going for over $600 on eBay at the moment. So they're most commonly found in Monogram. But if you're really lucky, you can find the special order Damier Ebene or the super rare special order Epi Leather. But those are very expensive. Now the great thing about this is that it actually has its own internal organizer. You don't even need to put a bag organizer in there. So you've got different slots around the edges and then a main slot right in the middle. You can also do your handheld, or you can do a shoulder or crossbody because it's got D-rings, so you can add your own straps. It's so practical and it's so stinking cute. Anyone would love this bag, or you can even buy it for your daughter. So the very last bag is a unique Tilsitt bag. These are going for about $500 on eBay, and it's an epi leather bag. You can see it's got this beautiful unique shape, and it's also got an adjustable strap, so you can wear either short shoulder or long shoulder. It's very understated. You just have that little turn lock there that says Louis Vuitton. Otherwise, you wouldn't even know it was a designer handbag. It's completely made out of leather. The exterior is leather. The interior is all leather. So it is a very heavy duty bag, very hard wearing. This is definitely for the type of girl who loves unique fashion. You'll be very hard pressed to be bumping into anyone with the same handbag. This is for that girl that loves to stand out, loves to be unique, and loves to have her own style. So I hope you guys enjoyed my top 5 Louis Vuitton handbags on my wish list. Thanks everyone, bye!